Alright, this is a simple step on how to use the SMTP cracker and checker. So first you get your email and password, all your email and password files. Okay, um, okay, these are my email and password files. Copy it and put in the folder. Then you have to probably rename it to a very shorter name so you can call it in the cracker. Maybe something like A. Then first you start with the SMTP manager. So once it's cracked, then you will now use the SMTP checker to check it to your email address, the valid ones and the ones that are not valid. So once it's cracked, so to do that, we are starting with this SMTP manager. You open it, then you choose number 5, which is random. You want it to crack random SMTP, all other servers, not just one particular server. Number 5, then enter. Then it will now tell you to enter the list. Now the list, the name that we renamed it was A. So it will be A, is a TXT file, so it will be a.txt. Then enter. Now it will start cracking. Then for successful ones, it will now create a folder. It will now create a folder SMTP cracked. You see it there when it's cracking. So let's wait for it to crack. I'll pause this video, then continue when it's finished cracking. Well, let me wait for probably a result so that it will just create the folder, then you see how it is now. If you crack anyone successful, you see it here to show green. Let's wait and see if probably it will bring out some of the cracker. Then it will now create the folder. So while we're waiting, make sure you have Notepad++ so that you can edit this SMTP cracker and input your email. Like here, this checker. Now let me show you now how to do that. You just right click this checker where you input your email, edit with Notepad++, then you come to line 41, you scroll down to line 41 to address, you input your email here, you replace with your email address for it to send results to. So here is my email address. This is it. So copied already, then replace it here. I'll replace the email here. It should be inside here. It should be inside this side, then paste it. Then you Ctrl S to save. Either Ctrl S or you click on file, save. It will save. So now it's already saved. That's all. So your email is inside now. That's all. On line 41, that's when you change it. So now you go to, okay, see now it has created the folder already. So it's cracking now. It's show cracked now. The cracked one here, it will be in this folder. See them. That's how they will come. So you allow it to finish completely, then you go to the next step. So let me pause the video and allow it to finish, then go to the next step, which is checking of the SMTP. Okay, so the program has finished running. Now we move to the checker, the SMTP checker. So I'm done with this SMTP manager. It has brought the result. These are the results. So you see your SMTP list, but you can't just go and be using them. You need to check it to your email address. You get whichever email you are using, you put it in the SMTP checker file. So these are your SMTP lists. Then now we have to use the SMTP checker. So before then, I would like to probably rename this one too, so that it will be a very smaller name, so that you can call it on the checker, maybe SMTP, maybe like that, something like that. So as we are done with this already, you can delete it. So now move to the checker. Now remember, remember to change the email on line 41. Change the email to your own email to receive result. If not, it will come to mine. Okay, that's just where you changing the email address. Then you can furthermore go for customization. Maybe you put your name here, or something, but you can just leave it like that. Just make sure you change the email on line 41. That's all. After changing the email, you save, Control S, then you close. Then now you open this SMTP checker. Now it will ask, see, it automatically created a result folder where to put in the valid and the invalid SMTP. So now it will ask for your SMTP list, which is the one we rename. This is SMTP. So it will be smtp.txt. So you are calling this SMTP folder, then you press enter to start checking automatically. So it's showing now, it's showing the one that worked, the one that didn't work, valid and the invalid. Not all will send to the email. You understand? So now if you go to your email and see, probably in your inbox, it will be coming one after the other. So you allow this one to run. See, it's reporting to my email address already. Some will come to the spam, doesn't matter. See them, they are coming. The results are coming. It is still running. You allow it to run. So it will check all valid SMTP and send to your email. So you can as well, if you don't get much results here, maybe you can change your email from Gmail to probably Outlook or Hotmail. See them, they are still coming. So it's as easy as that. Remember the steps. First, you start with SMTP manager, input your email and password files, then it will crack, then you rename the cracked file, then open your SMTP checker, change the email to where you want the result to come, then it will start coming. So that's all for this video. So you allow it to run until the ending. You finish running, it will stop on its own. So that's all for the video. Easy peasy. So now you have your SMTPs. SMTP. See them, host, ports, secure, and also in another format. You can just easily copy and put in your sender, depending on the kind of sender you're using, each any sender. Like me now, if I want to use this Lofis, I'll just copy it and put it here. That's all, then use it. So that's all for the video.